Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kunal and you're watching Tech with Kunal. In this video, we are going to test ChatGPT. Can ChatGPT clear Amazon coding round? So I just go on Google and search on something question like Amazon question, and I found that Geeks for Geeks have already a list of questions that are already asking Amazon coding round. We will just go to a list and give a easy to medium level question for ChatGPT to test that, and paste similar question in ChatGPT and wait for ChatGPT to give answer, then same paste answer into compiler and run it and test for each against each test edge case, and let's see can ChatGPT give us optimal and accurate solution for that problem. Doesn't matter that it will in which language, we will try to restrict with the CP plus because I found it a little bit, and then we will try to check that how accurate and precise ChatGPT is, and can ChatGPT replace developer also? Might be a good question for this video, and keeping for that. After all that, we will just jump into a medium question, and if he is able to solve easy, medium, and high level question. But before that, let's warm up with some simple questions like easy, then C. And also one thing noted that I will not going to write any single piece of code for ChatGPT calculating the edge cases. We will just set ChatGPT, but I will just ensure that I will just replacing the names of variable that input is given in this variable, and ChatGPT is assuming that input in variable in this name. We will just replacing that and all in util function name. That's all we are going to do. But anything except that we will not doing, and entertaining, we'll just copy pasting. Now let's start this video. I have already learned to Geeks for Geeks, and we have seen lots of questions are here for Amazon interview question. You can see, like, I will just go to next data element first. This is I think simple question. Okay, then solve problem. Let's first copy this and give it to ChatGPT. Can you write code for this? Okay, so I will fast forwarding this video because ChatGPT will take some time to write code for us, and then after it completed we will be back. Okay, so guys, back and ChatGPT will write solution for us. Let's copy this. This is a util function that we need to run against our problem, and it's I think already it's already initialized. Let's run compile and run. Before, let's see the variables are the same. That's okay, hit compile and run. I think we will get error for this thing, and we have to change the solution value in 10, and we don't need this and also. That's what we can do for ChatGPT. Okay, cool, go. And oh, cool. Yeah, test cases are passed. Now let's submit final solution. Interesting. Go. Oh man. Great, yeah, it's clear. Let's see largest common ancestor of this. This is a binary question and solve problem. This is another medium level question, and great, it works. Now it's time to application ChatGPT. Okay, so now there's a problem. Oh man, it's every time trying to write first in the Python code. Why? But I don't know. Let's focus on that. Oh, cool. There is a code working. Let's try in CPP. Let's ask in CPP. Can you write in CPP? Oh man, yep. Let's see what we need. We need a util function to fulfill and find LCM. Cool, it's similar to that. Okay, just let's copy this thing and paste it here, and we need to change function here. Okay, got it. Cool. Let's run this. Oh, cool. Second time it's able to clear test cases. Now submission, final submission, and boom. Oh man, cool, yeah. Cool. So after running two questions of medium level of Amazon coding rounds, it's able to clear, and we just change the variable name in first question. Second question doesn't name any seems like that, and its solution is so optimal that it's cleared in first attempt of the test cases as well as the final submission. So yeah, it has solutions. In next video we will test against high level questions or some competitive programming question that ask in some higher interview levels of SG3 type, or we will just try some subsystem design questions also and see can it able to handle those questions and with give us an optimal solution. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button and share with your friends, and see you in another video. Bye bye.